So I know water is a very important, water, temperature, tea leaves, the quality of tea.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and I'd like to educate people more on the benefits of drinking tea. I'm
Mm-hmm.
also a holistic nutritionist, and so I know, how many health benefits tea have, and just would like to get it more out in the public here.
Sure. Yes. Well, in terms of the water, what we usually suggest is a soft water for the tea, and we have a blog post about it. The hard water with the minerals tend to break the taste of the tea. So, like Evian or the soft water softener is what we usually suggest for like the high end tea. But yeah, in terms of the water, the temperature for specific tea, which we usually specify for each tea for all
Uh-huh.
the tea that we have. And it's great that you want to educate. And if you have any questions, I try to put the blog post on all the questions that people ask. So I you can check the our blog.
So I think I'll look at your blog, and if I have any questions, I'll get in touch with you.
Yep, I'm right here.
Okay, thank you. It was very nice to meet you.
Yep, nice meeting you, Barbara.
Take care. Bye
Bye.
bye.